This water is so crystal clear blue.
I'm a little upset because I paid for 4 chairs and our stuff got moved off.
Your name is somewhere on that side.
They told us to move.
Rider, so.
I told them, I was like, face on your shirt again. Wipe your face on your shirt.
It's floating upside down. Could do some fun things under the water.
Are you recording? Hunter, where are we? Do you love it?
Yes, but it was raining earlier.
It's sprinkling. Do you want to record a video? Alright, you're recording. Here you go.
Okay. You got it?